Hi guys. So I know it's been a minute, but listen, your girl right now is having an allergy attack, but I'm excited because it's your girl birthday weekend. And even though we are in quarantine, I mean, I ain't got nothing to do, so. But I'm excited because I want to do a lot of things. I want to pamper myself. I want to do my hair. I want to do my ratchet brows. Like, I just been quarantined out. I feel like I have forgot. Oh, why am I so out of breath? I feel like I have forgot how to do my makeup. It's like ridiculous. So I haven't did makeup since like February. It's the middle of April, as you can tell by the way I sound and the way I look. It's allergy time. So I just ordered some hair and I am so excited about it. I'm marking out my address because y'all ain't about to pop smoke me. But I just got my shipment from Amazon. I'm so excited. This is a wig I've been wanting to try for a minute. I just have never really gotten around to it. So we about to bust it wide open and I tell her bring it back. But this hair is from none other than y'all know here on YouTube. It is dun, 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 dun. It's Alipearl Hair. My lips are dry. Hold on, I need some chapstick. Okay, I'm back. I needed some chapstick on, but this is from Alipearl Hair. If I get my setup right. This is from Alipearl Hair. I'm really excited. I got this. Is my first. This is an 18-inch wig. I think I got it in Water Wave, but this is my first time, believe it or not, actually buying a wig like that's already made, supposedly pre-plucked. I'm excited because this is a 6x6 closure wig, and sometimes y'all know how I'm a fan of closure wigs during the summertime. I can do lace frontals during the wintertime, but whatever. So it comes like this. It's really cute, and I got this hair within like 2 business days, honestly. I ordered it, when was it? I ordered it maybe like that Thursday or Friday. It literally came like 1-day shipping. It was incredible. So this is what it came in this cute little bag. And I've heard mixed reviews about this hair, but since this was my first time actually buying a wig that was already constructed, I just went ahead and went with Alipearl because, I don't know, I just felt like they were gonna do me right. I don't know. So it came with a wig cap, a thank you my dear value customer, how to follow them on all their social media, and it came with an elastic band, which is always helpful, but I have plenty of elastic bands, so I'll probably put my own. But thank you anyway. I appreciate it. These allergies are tearing me up. So this is the moment I've been waiting for. 18 inches. I'm hoping this wig fits my head. I have a smaller head. I hope the hair is soft. I hope the closure is like what it's supposed to be. Okay. Okay. Okay, I can get with this. I like the way this is kind of constructed. So this is the hair, and the hair feels really good. Not getting it. I got a few strands, so it is a little bit shedding a little bit. I don't know if this is as thick as I want it to be. I don't know what density this is, but it looks like it's constructed well. It does look pre-plucked, but the knots are not bleached, so I'm gonna have to do that. It's constructed really well. It's got 2 combs, which I'll probably take out. The adjustable in the back, and it seems like it's gonna fit my head. I may not be mad at it, but this is my first time buying a wig from them, and it's the 6x6 closure, so I'm loving that. And it's got the deep part, so it goes back to here, so it's not 6 feet, but 6 inches back as well, so I can do a bomb side part. But maybe it's enough hair, maybe. But the hair is really soft. I am getting shedding, however. I am getting strands. The ends look like they could be deep conditioned a little bit more, but you see how much hair I'm getting out of it. Let me show you. So I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be honest. Focus. So I'm getting a few strands. But overall, babe, don't copyright me. Or get me copyrighted, turn your music off. It look good. But anyway, I think I'll like it. We'll see. I want to see how big it's actually gonna be. You think that's gonna fit my head?
Nope.
Jay, that's not nice. That's gonna fit my head.
It's a little too small.
No. Small is good for me. Good for me. So, first part of my routine, I'm gonna do my hair. That's first thing first. But I just want to come and show y'all this wig. Like, first off, straight out the box, no cap. Facts, no printer. You know what I mean? But it's got a really pretty curl pattern to it. I like it. So I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. And the lace is like, I wouldn't say the lace is completely transparent. It's actually like more green on my skin tone, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. Yeah, so you're just gonna see what the hype is. I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I'm excited to see the parting. So this is her, this is she is her. You know, I'm excited just to have something on my head. I can't put it on right now, but you know, it's gonna be nice to have something different in this turban because I've been wearing this for like 2 weeks. But I ain't had nowhere to go, ain't nowhere to be. We straight quarantine. So I think I'm gonna do this whole thing as like a vlog type style video, since I kind of already unboxed it. So here you go. But I will show everything that I'm doing to like specialize and customize it and get it together. But right now, she is going back in this bag, which I like because I can just write the name on here and I always remember what this is. So